Hey guys, Varun Marathi here. Hope all of you are safe in this lockdown. So the OnePlus week continues on my channel kind of right now, and today I'm going to do the unboxing of the new OnePlus wireless Z earbuds. Now these retail in India for around 1999 Indian rupees, and they have created quite a stir. And this is basically the box, as you can see over here. On the front we have the new OnePlus branding. The images of the headphones, they are actually in black color. Here we have, if we charge this for 10 minutes, they'll get a 10 hours of charge, so you'll have to use the OnePlus proprietary charge of that. And we have 20 hours of claim battery life, so I'll have to test that. On the back over here we have warp charging. As I told you already, they have long battery life claim of 20 hours. There is magnetic control on the bullets earbuds, so if you connect both of them, the earphones will get disconnected, and if you remove the connection, they'll again get connected. Here it's also showing that it is waterproof, but I don't think, because it is only certified for IP55, it is not exactly waterproof. It might be sweat resistant, so I'll just confirm that. There's also a feature of quick switch, which I'll demonstrate over here. And again, there is a low latency mode which actually works on OnePlus devices with Fanatic mode. So this I'm going to test while playing PUBG on my new OnePlus 8 Pro. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the description as well. Please go and watch the unboxing and the PUBG gameplay video as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin with the unboxing. So here we go. We remove the box and we get this beautiful image of how the earbuds look. So we'll just pull this out now, and on the back over here we have this earbuds which are actually neatly tucked in, so we'll remove it from here. Right off the back, it feels very soft to touch, and yeah, these are the actual earbuds over here. Feels kind of soft plastic, but it looks and feel premium, I would say. Now this end where the battery modules is present is actually in matte color, and if you see the actual earbuds, they are glossy in color, so we'll get to them in some time. We'll see what else we get in the box over here. So this is the part where we have all the accessories and user guide, so we'll see what else we get. Okay, so we have this USB Type-C charging cable. It's pretty small, so you can carry it very easily in your bag. And okay, we also get some extra ear tips. Looks like we have got 2 pairs, which is good. And we have some warranty information and startup guide over here, so we'll just keep that on the side. The experience was pretty good and premium, so let's actually take an overview of the actual headphones over here. So as you can see, these are the headphones, and this is pretty much, I think these are comparable to all the headphones which are there in the price range in terms of design. I haven't seen the other one personally, but I do feel these are good. They feel good in hand. They're extremely lightweight, so I don't think they'll have much weight on your shoulders. Now talking about the physical overview over here, on the left side we have this OnePlus branding, and we have this button which is a multi-purpose button. Apparently you can use this to initially connect to the device, and if you want to connect to 2 devices at the same time, we'll have to press this button till there is an LED light over here which will blink, and it will be discoverable in the other device. So we'll look about that. And moving forward over here, on this we have the volume rockers and the music play pause button, as well as the call receiving button. There's also a microphone on this end only, and it feels really good to feel in the hand as well, and we'll test the quality. And when we reach at the end over here, these are the actual earbuds, and as you can see, they are magnetic in nature. The magnet is pretty strong, I would say. The design is very interesting. It resembles very closely to the Bullets Wireless 2, but the price actually makes it really different. So we'll have to test them. So let's just connect them for the very first time with my new OnePlus 8 Pro. So I'll turn on the Bluetooth over here. Let's see if they are discoverable. Yeah, okay, so we actually get a pop-up over here, so I don't know why it took so much of time. So we'll tap to pair, and yeah, here we go. So we are actually connected to the earbuds, and as you all know, the OnePlus phone has that earphone mode in the sound settings. So if you don't find where it is, I'll just show you in the longer route. When you go into the settings panel over here, and when you go into the sounds and vibration mode, there is this earphone mode. So I just opened it directly to the option, but if you don't find it, this is the way to go. And here you find multiple options. So one of this is autoplay. So whenever you connect to the your earphones to your phone, it will automatically start the music which was paused before. So that's one feature. You also have speaker call ID. So when your phone is in the bag and if any call comes, it will tell you the name of that caller. And we also have notification ringtone. So if only the phone is in ring mode, then it will appear. So you can select any option which you want. There's Bluetooth absolute value, which is auto syncing the headset and the device volume. So at whatever volume your device is set, the headphone will play the songs on that same volume. So it is really very good. So yeah, this is the basic connection, I would say. So these are connected to my OnePlus 8 Pro right now, and as you can see, when they are connected, basically this is the LED light that will blink continuously. And it's really good to see that there is an LED light, but I think the timing of this is very short. Now I'll show you how to connect it to some other device. So I have this Samsung Tab S5e. So this is the second device we'll try to connect it to. So let's just see how it works. So right now they won't be discoverable. So in order to make them discoverable, you will have to press this for 2-3 seconds. And yeah, now they are discoverable. As you can see over here, it's written OnePlus headset. So we'll connect it to them, and I'll show you that mode where you double click this to actually pair and disconnect with other device very easily. So right now I'm pairing with this earbuds over here, and here we go. So now I'm connected to the Bullets wireless with my tablet, and this is my OnePlus 8. So I'll show you how the connection setting works. It's really interesting because right now I can show it to you very easily. So here as you can see over here, my headphone is connected to the tablet, and when you double click this button, the connection is back with OnePlus 8 Pro. So this is really interesting if you are using this on 2 or more devices. This is really quick and better way to switch them between the two. So it's really nice and it's a very useful feature, and I think many of you would like this. Another feature which I'll test in deep is actually the low latency. So since I have the OnePlus 8 Pro, I think I'll be in better mode to judge that if that low latency mode works and all. And I think many of the OnePlus users will be buying this for playing games, and that is where this is really important. So I'll test this in deep, and I would like you people to suggest me in comments that what else you want, so that I can make the video about it. I'll give the review about these headphones in a few days, so stay tuned for it on my channel. And if you haven't seen my other videos, please do, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.